Hello viewers, welcome in another episode, and today I will present one of my favorite 1/64 scale models, diecast models in my collection. It's quite recent. It's Mazda 787B in famous renowned livery, winner of 1991 24-hour Le Mans. I was waiting so long for this model, but I got it not so long ago, and today I will present it. It's quite premium, as you can probably guess by look of the box. Just outside of the box is license, which is very important. Then inside there is this sleeve. Inside this sleeve we have blister with elements, and probably you can guess now again. There are some elements we can remove. That's the model. That's another part of the blister. We have instruction, and we have small box with this tool, which is very useful tool here, and I will show you why. But it can be used with other models probably as well. This is Mazda made by Helix with all body panels present. We can see it's very detailed, including towing eye, beautiful headlamps behind acrylic covers, fantastic wheels with Dunlop tires, and those wheels will turn. Then you can see brake disc and brake caliper. It's simplified because discs are not rotating, but thanks to it, wheels can rotate. Same story in the rear. We have wiper blade, we have proper mirrors, we have harness inside, antennas, even details which usually in 1/64 scale models are just black paint, like this mesh here. It's not mesh, it's plastic, but it's not only black paint. It's not just black paint. They went much further. Look there as well. Rear lights are painted, but it would be very difficult and probably not worth to make those light acrylic. Very nice exhaust on this side, and again imitation of mesh. Then we can remove front cover and engine cover, and we will have more beautiful details. Look at this radiator, Mazda Speed. It's not just flat, it's not just painted. Then there is some kind of information there. I can't read it, probably it's impossible to read it, but at least they pretended to do it. Some fluid reservoir and rear. That's the best engine compartment in 1/64 scale in models in my collection. Look, we have one radiator, we have another radiator, we have suspension, we have various fluids reservoirs, we have imitation of carbon fiber, we have a very nice exhaust. The exhaust manifold looks amazing. We have a Wankel engine, we have transmission, various cables and wires. Look at this. This is fuel lines. Those are fuel lines. and those are clear, transparent as they should be. Then we have all kinds of supports, bars. It looks just amazing. And we have option, we can display model with everything covered, or we can use those stands to put panels on it, and we can customize model itself with aero discs, because we have choice of 2 discs. Those are, I think, front ones, and those are held by magneto, and we have rear one, I think so, the gold one with Volk Racing on it. Such a tiny, this is 3x magnification, and we can put those on wheels, which adds again a lot. And if we can remove it, this tool is very useful. So I wonder what you think about such models, because I almost damaged antenna. That's the price of looking through lenses, not through my own eyes. But it's not that fragile. What do you think about such models? For me, this is absolutely worth money I paid for it. If I have to spend similar money on RLC to get just a nice looking badge, it's all about being shiny, and that's all, or getting something so detailed based on real racing or rally car. Look at those stickers even on the top. The amount of detail in this model for this price, and this is which amazed me most, it's die cast, it's not resin, and it costs half of what I would pay for a decent resin model, which is again, it's not cheap, but if we compare what we will get for how much we pay, I think this is a fantastic value, especially for such famous car. For me, probably if you are looking for a 1/64 scale Mazda 787B, that's the model you should, I think, take into consideration. If you just look for one, that probably would be the best one, the best value for your money. If you are very rich, then it's much simpler. But for me, I was thinking about BMC, but BMC model is not as good. Then Kyosho is okay, but it's rather expensive because it's old. And then Hot Wheels, not bad, but it's more toy. I like those, but I wanted to have just proper 1/64 scale, and that's what I found. So what do you think about such models? From your point of view, is it worth to pay more, to pay a lot for such small car? It's just very, very tiny model. And is it worth to get all those details in something so small, or you think it's better to stay with something much simpler and cheaper? I wonder what is your take? You know my take, but I'm still interested in your point of view as well. That's all in this video. As always, all the best for all of you. See you soon. Bye bye.